You can't just...
I am starting all over. Ready? Hi, Mark and Trish. This is Tim and Rosalind Gant coming to you from Colleyville, Texas. And I'm showing you my hitch handle that I'm sending to you tomorrow. And the inspiration from it came from your mud flaps. So Rosalind's gonna video me while I show you everything I did, because this heavy duty WDH has been such a pain for this 61-year-old guy that I finally had to come up with a better way. So she's now gonna film, turn it around. Okay, so I saw your mud flaps on your video, and I can't remember which one. I sent you a picture, and I said, he's got handles on that. If you remember, I sent you an email and said, where did you get your handles? But I didn't realize that it was that longer bar that went out to the mud flaps. But I thought, that's still ingenious, because I'd been picking this up like this. See how far I gotta lean over, and putting it in my hitch. And it doesn't look like a problem, but you know, I've already broken one finger on when I had my Dynamax. You can see that bent finger, and that Y arms came down on it and broke it. So I wanted something simple. So I saw your handles and I said, this is really great. So all I did was take these pieces. I got a piece of 3/4 inch all thread, and because that fit perfectly in the hole because I measured it. And then I got 3/4 inch nuts and 3/4 inch lock washers. And so I measured, and this is 2 inches across here, and this is 5 inches sticking out on here, and the bike handle fit perfectly on it that I bought at the store. So this whole thing was, this was like $7.50 for these parts, and it was like $5-6 for the handles. And by the way, I got you black handles because, Rosalind, do you like the red handles?
No, I do not.
She does not like the red handles at all. And I told her, Mark, that you said you didn't like them either. You wanted them in black. So I got you black, but you can find whatever works for you. But I'll send this all to you tomorrow, and you can put it together, but it's so simple. So now I've got this easy way of just lifting it up and putting it right in my hitch. So I don't have my hitch insert in there because I got a bigger hitch, but look, that's it. Also, I searched and searched because I have carpet in the back of my Ram 2500, just like you do. And I slide these boxes around, but I had this big old box and I was so tempted to throw other stuff in it. I found this DeWalt Tough System DS280 box. And so now my hitch, when I take it out, fits perfectly in this box. And I just got to lift it up and put it in the back of my truck. And now I don't take up all the space that I did with a big Rubbermaid box. So anyway, it's simple. I hope you enjoy it. Use it or not use it, I don't care. Make it better. If you make it better, tell me what you figured out. But I am sending you the parts and the black handles, and it should be there to you in a couple of days up there in Michigan. All the best from Tim and Roz in Colleyville, Texas, right down the road from the Vineyards campgrounds where you guys stayed in Grapevine, Texas. I don't know when it was, a while back, but we saw you guys up there. We're literally about 5 miles from that campground.